So, you're a budding pocket square folding aficionado and want to put your skills to the test. The 3-peak fold is your new challenge. This baby offers 3 diamond peaks that splay out at the top. It basically looks like a fancy crown to make you, sir, feel like a king. Don't let it go to your head just yet. You still need to file those documents for your boss. Now, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Okay, let's get you scrubbed up. Lay your pocket square face down in a diamond shape. Fold it in half from bottom to top so that 2 points meet. Take the bottom right point and fold it up to the top point. Position it slightly askew to the left of the top point to create 2 peaks. Take the bottom left point and fold it up askew to the right of both peaks. This creates 3 peaks. Fold the right corner into the middle just past the center point. Take the left corner and fold it over just past the center point. The pocket square should look like a cone. Fold the bottom section up to the back. Adjust according to the length of your pocket. Now place in your pocket. All right. Now you're looking as smooth as an ice-cold Jack and Coke. Oh yeah, that'll go down well. For our full range of pocket squares, check out OTAA.com. Now hit that like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching.